Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learning with Joy. So today's topic is SCD Type 1. I'll help you understand how to implement SCD Type 1 in Talend in a very simple approach. Okay, there are different approaches. So this is my approach of SCD Type 1 in Talend, how to implement it. So quickly, let's get into the topic. So I have a source data. Okay, this is a source table. Let's assume it as EMP table. So I have some dummy data, or this is the source table, we can say. Now I want to insert this source data into the target data using SCD Type 1. Okay, implementing the Type 1 functionality, I want to enter the load the data from source table to target table. So basically, what is SCD Type 1 is, we will be loading the data from source to target with a particular updation and insertion record data, as in when it is getting inserted, when it is getting created, when it is getting updated. Okay, so we'll be having two more columns in the target side, created and updated data. Okay, so let's assume these two records are being inserted on like today, okay, 8th November. All right, these two records are created and they are being inserted into the target table as it is. Created and updated date will be the same, 8th November. Okay, because they have been created today itself. Now next on day 2, okay, let's assume on day 2, that is on 9th November, a new record has been inserted called Shiva, and the Kirti record, 111 record, has been updated. So what is being updated is its salary. So previously it was 10,000, now it is 15,000. Now what should be done is, this total data, the updated data as well as the inserted data, should be inserted into our target table with proper records, as in when it is updated and when it is created. Okay, so for that I am using the approach of hash data, hash generator, you can say hash key or MD5 hash. So in Talend, we'll be left joining these two tables, the source table and the target table. See, this is the target table data right from here. So we'll be taking only these values. Now what we will be checking is, after we join them, if the employee number is null, we will be doing a left join with the source table. So if the source table, the employee number is not present, it will be null or 0 based on the database what we use. So if it is null, then that will be the insert data. So if you see here, 111, 112 are the new already present records. 113 is the new record which is not present, hence that will be the insert record. So this will be one condition which we will be using for inserting. So now let's get into the updating condition. So we will be using the MD5 as I told you. So first we will check this employee number is not null. That means it is present in the source and target, both it is present in the target table. And the MD5 value, the hash value of all the records, the name, whatever columns we have. So that should be not matching. That means it should not be same, because if you see 15,000, because of this, the hash value changes. So this value and this value will be different. So that will be the condition. The target table, the lookup employee number will be not null, and the MD5 hash value will not be same. Then that would be the update record. So this will be the condition which we will be writing in Talend. Okay, so before we go into the Talend, I'll show you the database. Okay, so this is the table, employee staging. Okay, so right now it is empty. As I shown you in the Excel, I'll just enter the data. Okay, I'll be inserting the data now. Right now, see, so we have two records, Kirti record and Jyoti record. Okay, now what we will be doing is, we will be loading this data into SCD1. As you see, in employee SCD1, we don't have any data. We just have two more extra columns called created date and updated date. Right. So now let's go to Talend and implement in like load the data from source to target. So guys, if you see here, for your ease, I have already created the job. Okay. So this will be the source table, right? So this will be a source table which I have taken from MySQL. This will be the target table. Right now it is empty, the SCD1. Okay, so we have two targets, the same SCD tables, EMP SCD table. One will be insert. Here if you see, action on table will be default, and the data, it should be inserted. Now for the update output, I have given action on table default, and the action on data will be update. Okay, for update it should be only update, for insert it should be insert. Okay, let's quickly get into the Tmap. What is the operations and all happening? So this will be the source table, this will be the target table. So we are left joining it based on EMP number. Okay, so now here this is being joined. So this side it will be the insert data, this will be the update data. Okay, so first let's quickly get into this expression builder. So now first I am calculating input MD5, the MD5 hash value. So we have a routine MD5 get hash string. You'll be getting it anywhere. It's a public source. If not, please get in touch with me. I'll try to help you out. Okay, so first I'm concatenating all the values, all the columns, that is name, salary, hire date, all these things. Okay, so it will create one hash value as in that's a binary value. Okay, for the lookup also it's the same. If you see, row 2 is the lookup data, so all the values are getting concatenated and you get one particular value. Okay, now the main functionality or operation, you can say, happens here. So the key variable, now how it should update, like how we should know that it is a updating record or a no change record. It's as it is, we need to insert. Okay, so first thing is, guys, as I already told you, please check the value of the EMP number here. If it is null, please write null condition. If not, please use it as it is, because it will not work if you write null if there is 0. Guys, this is only for few cases. Mine is an exception case. So there are some cases where it will be 0. Hence, you need to write this condition. So we need to check if the employee number is not null. That means the particular employee number is present in the target table and the MD5 values are not equal. If they are not equal, input MD5 as well as lookup MD5, if those two are not equal, then it is a update case. Okay, please get me clearly. The employee number should be present in the target table and the MD5 values, okay, the MD5 values input and lookup should be not equal. Then it is an update case, or else it's a no change case. As it is, it will come. Okay, now here for inserting, first let's get into inserting. As I told you, if it is 0 or is null, so based on your expression builder value, what is present there, please write the condition. If it is null, that means it's not present in our target table. Hence, we will load all the data coming here. Okay, as it is, the data will come, and created date and updated days is a new columns, right? So current date, so today's date, whenever it is getting created, that particular date it will be created and updated, because it is a insert statement. Okay, now next one comes update. So here, if the key value, if this variable key has the value as update, then the data gets updated. Okay, so if the employee number is present and the hash values are not same for input and lookup, then it is an update case. The created date will be same as the one coming from the target. Only the updated date will be changing because it is getting updated on that particular day. That's why we are giving the current date. Okay, guys, I hope it is clear. If not, please write in the comment section whatever doubts you have, guys. Okay, now let me run this job for you. Right, so guys, 2 records are inserted. Okay, 2 records are created, so it is getting inserted here. There is no updations because no updations is the first step, day 1 step. Okay, so now let's see what is happening in the SCD1. See guys, SCD1, 8th November, 8th November. Okay, so this is the first step, what will be happening. Now in the second step, in day 2, let's assume the 112, which is Jyoti record. I'm trying to change it from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, so this is one update statement. Okay, as well as I will insert one record. Right guys, so what happened? One updation happened, one insertion happened. Okay, so let's see the staging table, what is there. See guys, Shiva record got inserted and Jyoti record got changed from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Now let's bring that particular updating and inserting data into SCD1. So quickly let's get into the Talend job. See guys, 3 rows came, 2 rows from the target, 3 from the source, 1 got updated and 1 got inserted. So let me show you quickly. See guys, Jyoti record from Bangalore, it came to Hyderabad and 113 record got inserted. So guys, as this is 8th November, today only we are creating and updating same day, happening the same thing. Hence, the date will be same. If you see the next day, then the dates will be changing. Okay guys. I hope you got the topic of SCD type 1. If you have any queries, please drop it in the comment section. I'll try to help you guys. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe this video. And you have some details in the description section. You can get in touch with me for any more topics which you want to learn in Talend and SQL. Okay, and thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.